Welcome to the channel, everyone, or if you are new, my name is Sherry. I would love if you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Today we're going to be decorating my mantle for Christmas. If you've been with me even for a little bit, you know I love to create a Pinterest board. This is the mood board I like to have whenever I do projects or decorate for my home. This really keeps me on track. This gives me a plan of action, so when I go in the stores, I know what I'm looking for instead of what I'm not looking for. That way it helps me also stay on budget. And here is the Pinterest board I came up with to create my Christmas mantle. I was very inspired by some restoration hardware pieces, and I have some items that look just like the restoration hardware pieces I only paid $1 for, and a few others, they kind of look like it. We'll just say they're restoration hardware inspired. For my fireplace mantle, I wanted to keep the same colors and the same kind of tones and textures I used in my Christmas tree. If you missed my Christmas tree decorate with me video, I will leave a link in the cards. There you will find how I decorated my Christmas tree, and I really wanted to stay with the same theme going into decorating my fireplace mantle. To start off this decorate with me, we're going to do a mini makeover to the fireplace. When we first bought our home a few years ago, I whitewashed this. It was really bright red, and I wanted to kind of tone it down a little bit. Over the years now, I've really gotten tired of that look, and I just wanted to go completely white. So the first thing I did was I gave all of the brick a coat of primer. And what I couldn't roll, I went ahead and used a brush just to get into all the little nooks and crannies. Once the primer cured, I went in with Decorator's White from Benjamin Moore to give it a beautiful coat of bright white paint. I'm going to be using these beautiful driftwood trees. I found these for $1 a piece a few years ago, and I could not believe how eerily similar they look to restoration hardware, so I'm definitely using those. Along with the black ribbon I used in my Christmas tree. And I'm going to be using these beautiful dried eucalyptus. The green is really going to bring out the hunter green that I also used in my Christmas tree. And I'm also using these beautiful hanging pines that I found from Hobby Lobby. And these beautiful brass candlesticks, I have used these many times. And I found these gorgeous mid-century modern candles. These taper candles are actually wood. They have been carved to look like dripping candles, and I think the little bit of gold on it goes really well with the gold ornaments I have on my tree. And to bring out more of the black, I have this beautiful vase. It was orange and I sprayed it black. My thought process of doing this was that I wanted to look almost like a piece you would see in a museum, like an art installation. I wanted there to be movement, I wanted to be asymmetrical, and I wanted to make it look like everything was coming out of the vase and it was just spewing out onto the mantle. To secure the pines to the mantle, I'm just attaching them with some clear tape. And once I have all of the pines attached to the mantle, I'm going in with these beautiful driftwood trees. I'm telling you, I purchased these, like I said, maybe 3 or 4 years ago, had no idea they even looked anything like restoration hardware until I looked at their catalog online and found they have some that look just like it. So I was so happy to be able to use these on the mantle. And now I'm going in with dried eucalyptus. I love this. It's kind of like a hunter green to it. It really brings out the hunter green color in my Christmas tree. And to secure them to all of the hanging pine, I'm using some zip ties. And now I'm adding the beautiful brass candlesticks. And can I tell you, those taper candles, when I first found them in the thrift store, I thought they were real, but upon closer inspection, I could tell they were wood. And when I looked them up online, they're actually mid-century modern carved candlesticks. And now I'm adding some of the black ribbon over to the left side of the mantle, and to curl it I had a glass, so I'm just kind of using that to give me a really full kind of loop to the end of it just to give it a finishing touch. And to complete the look, I hung up 2 of my little faux fur stockings that look almost like the ones from Restoration Hardware, and this completed my very Restoration Hardware inspired Christmas mantle. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what was your favorite part. Also, give me a like. It really helps out my channel. It helps me grow my channel. It also lets the YouTube algorithm know that this video is worth watching so they can push it out to even more people. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. There I do a lot of behind the scenes. I also kind of show you beforehand what I'm doing in the videos coming up. You can find me over there at Simply Home with Sherry. And remember, I post every Wednesday and Sunday at noon. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you at the next one. Bye, loves.
You're making it brighter right through the gray.